What questions should I ask before hiring an AI consulting firm? I think the major things you'll want to know is what experience do they have delivering business benefits? Not can they solve a specific problem that they've thought of and they've maybe done once before, but do they have the experience to show that for your business, they'll be able to listen to the risks and opportunities you have and find solutions that actually deliver and not get 95% of the way there. You realize it doesn't quite work, but it almost works, and then you scrap it. So you really want people, the phrase is always a concept to completion, isn't it? But we want to make sure that these people that we're hiring have got lots of experience around delivering projects that succeed and those that fail, because if they haven't seen the ones that fail, then they won't know what good and bad looks like. Also, a lot of companies out there, they're making very shiny, very nice promises, and we really don't want to be buying golf course decisions. We want to be carefully looking at, does this provider deliver something that's of business value that we'll be able to use quickly, effectively, and with low risk?